you want to implement Profit First into your business. You've come across Relay's business banking platform, and you want to know if it's going to be the right fit for your business. In this video, I'm going to clearly explain why Relay is considered the official banking platform for Profit First, the exact features that Relay has that simplify the Profit First setup, and the critical details you absolutely need to know before signing up for Relay. And quick thanks to Relay for partnering with the channel. With all of our partners, it's really important that I can talk through the good and the bad, which I'll be doing here today. So starting things off, what is Relay? Well, Relay is a business banking platform designed specifically for small businesses that want clear control over their cash flow. With Relay, your funds are FDIC insured up to $250,000 with expanded coverage available up to $3 million. So why does Relay work so well for Profit First? Well, in 2023, Relay officially became the recommended banking platform of Profit First, fully endorsed by Mike Michalowicz, who is the book's author. As a quick refresher, Profit First is a cash management system where you split income into dedicated accounts for profit, owner's pay, taxes, and operating expenses, essentially giving every dollar a job and ensuring that your business stays profitable by default. This is something that I used to practice in my different businesses a number of years ago. Since then, I've changed the way that I manage my cash flow a little bit, but I did find it very helpful to use the Profit First method, especially when I was first getting into business. It's a really good way for you to just understand how businesses work and feel more in control of your money. You really know where it's going and how to properly make sure that you are staying profitable and prioritizing your business actually profiting, which if your business isn't profiting, you probably don't have a very good business. And so in order to set up Profit First, you need to have multiple different business checking accounts. And so when I was implementing Profit First, like 6 years ago, I remember going into a big traditional bank and telling them that I wanted 5 individual business checking accounts. And it took a good amount of convincing for them to even entertain this conversation and for the banker to even, allow me to open up these different accounts. And then the process involved, multiple people. Everyone was confused. I had to explain myself multiple times. I was probably at this bank branch for like an hour and a half. Eventually, I walked out with the 5 business checking accounts, but I had to pay 5 times the account fees to use all of these accounts because they were basically each set up separately. It was not super easy to like transfer money between the accounts. I couldn't really name them the way that I wanted to best, just get everything organized. And so all in all, like I was able to kind of jerry rig my way into it, but it certainly wasn't the optimal way to be running Profit First. And that's just the way that I did Profit First for, probably like 2-3 years. It was also fully manual. So I had to, every time that I received money, I had to manually split that money and send, some over here, some over there, some over there. Took a lot of effort, took a lot of hassle, wasn't optimal at all. So with Relay, completely different because they actually understand what you're trying to achieve here and they make it easy to do exactly that. So what are some of those key Profit First features that are going to set Relay apart from that, horrendous experience that I had those years ago? Well, first, you can set up multiple checking accounts and savings accounts within one business. So Relay allows you to set up to 20 individual checking accounts in one business entity with no hidden fees and no minimum balances. You can also have up to 2 savings accounts. Then you can easily name and allocate each account according to Profit First principles. And, since you have 20 accounts, you can have any other non-traditional accounts or uses as well. So you can fully customize this and make it your own. Then you can set up automated transfer rules. So instead of what I was having to do, which was manually move the money from my main account to these other percentage-based accounts, you can just set a rule where, anytime this account receives money, put 20% of it into my tax account, put 10% of it into my profit account. And you also have the option to do flat rate transfers. So if you wanted to, say put $100 into your profit account every time you received money, you could do that as well. You can also customize your schedule on how often you want this to run, whether it be weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, etc. So you can very easily run payments from your Relay account. So for example, you have free next day ACH transfers available. You've got wire transfers which incoming are going to be free. Outgoing, there's going to be a small fee. You can have paper checks printed and mailed directly from your dashboard. So if vendors need to receive funds with a paper check, that's very easy to do. You can generate payment links within your Relay account to collect funds. You can send invoices directly from your Relay account. You've got bill approvals, QuickBooks and Xero integrations, expense management features like capturing receipts, very customized card controls on each individual debit card that you issue from your account. Basically, the full feature set to send money and receive money. And then once you receive it, organize and allocate it according to profit first. No jerry-rigging needed. Now, that's all for the starter plan, which is $0 per month. And on the Grow plan, which is $30 per month, this is going to add a reduction on those payment fees that could apply depending on how you want to send and receive payments. Multi-step bill approval rules. So if you need to go through multiple layers of decision makers to approve different bills, that becomes available. Customizable bookkeeping automation. So the bigger the company is, the more, people are involved in the finances, the more that's going to make sense. And then you can also incorporate branded and recurring invoices if there are, folks that you need to send invoices to on a regular basis, and you want those to be branded and fully customized. Some other important Relay features include debit cards. With Relay, they're going to provide you with up to 50 physical or virtual Visa cards with fully customizable spending limits and category controls. So if you want to issue those cards to your team members or, specific teams, have them access different budgets, that's all very available and easy to do. Doubling down on that, you've got team permissions and approvals. So you can very easily manage permissions with different folks that are going to need to access financial data. So whether you have a bookkeeper, whether you have a CFO, whether you have just a team lead, all of those people can have different levels of permissions, visibility, access to different things within Relay. You've got those multi-step approvals on the Grow and Scale plans. So if there are different decision makers that are needed for different, levels of spending, say if an employee spends $1,000, that might need to get approved by somebody, but if they want to spend $100, maybe not. You've got accounting and payment integrations with all the major platforms. So Relay syncs seamlessly with QuickBooks Online, Xero, Stripe, PayPal, Square. These are all integrations that I use personally for my different businesses. It's going to streamline your income allocation directly from your payment processor and then also tying into your bookkeeping software. Now, in terms of cash deposits, Relay does support cash deposits, but you're going to have to either go through an Allpoint Plus ATM, which is free but only up to $1,000 per deposit, or through different retail locations like Walmart and CVS. Keep in mind that a small fee will likely apply through one of these options. And really, if you are a cash-heavy business, Relay might not be the best option for you. I mean, they're an online-only bank, and they're really designed for businesses that are operating in, today's day and age, which is largely digital. Now, if your business receives checks, that's going to be a little bit easier to accommodate because Relay's app does support check deposits. However, funds can take up to 7 business days to clear, which is definitely slower than some other banking options. Now, let's talk pricing. So Relay currently has 3 different plans available. The first is their starter plan, which comes in at $0 per month, which is going to give you access to all of those profit first accounts, sending and receiving ACH transfers, as well as physical checks and wire transfers. Next is the Grow plan, which comes in at $30 per month, which adds in same-day ACH transfers, those approval workflows, and higher interest on your savings account. And lastly, we've got the Scale plan at $90 per month, which implements more advanced controls, higher limits, and priority support. Now, for most businesses, unless you're holding a ton of cash in your account using Profit First, the starter plan is probably going to be more than enough for you. But if you are a larger company and you've got more moving pieces, it might be worth considering some of those bigger ones. A couple things you really should think about before choosing Relay, both on the pros and the cons side. On the pro side, you've got that official Profit First endorsement, which is pretty substantial and significant. I mean, all things considered, if you want to run Profit First, I really don't think there's a better place to do it than Relay, to be honest. Next, the starter tier is quite robust. So there's no minimum balance, no hidden fees, and you really just get the full functionality that you need there, which includes those 20 checking accounts and 2 savings accounts. You've also got fully automatic profit first allocations so you don't have to do those manual transfers. You've got virtual and physical debit cards, all with customizable controls and spending limits. You've got invoicing built into the platform, which is huge. Got really good integrations going with accounting and payment processing platforms, and all of your essential payment tools are included in one spot. Now, on the con side of things, there are no physical branches, so it's going to be fully online. You have to be okay with that. Part of that means, being okay with limited cash deposit options and potentially, paying fees for that at retail partners if you do want to do it. Mobile check deposit clearance can be pretty slow, so up to 7 business days. And those same day ACH and outgoing wires are going to require either the Grow or the Scale plan. So tying it together, if you're serious about profit first, or if you've struggled with traditional banks like I had, Relay really removes nearly all of the friction and simplifies the process a ton. It's really easy to start. It's built explicitly for small businesses, and it's endorsed directly by Profit First, which is awesome. So if you want to check out Relay using the link below, you can get $100 and support the channel in the process. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about Relay. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.